Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Side Settings because that's where subscriptions live. Tap your name at the top to access Apple ID details, then choose Subscriptions. This shows active billing. Once you see Apple Arcade, tap it to view the plan and next billing date so you know what you'll cancel. Make sure to note whether it's part of a family sharing plan versus an individual account, because that changes who loses access when you stop paying. Now you'll cancel. Tap Cancel Subscription or turn off automatic renewal and follow the on-screen confirmation to stop recurring charges. Once done, you still have access through the current paid period. That's why you should check the service end date so you won't lose progress unexpectedly. If you're on family sharing, coordinate with the family organizer. Otherwise, the account owner must perform the cancellation for it to take effect. Finish by reopening subscriptions to confirm the status reads expired or canceled, and note the exact end date so you can plan game saves. Then scan your bank or Apple ID purchase history in the next billing cycle to ensure no further charges appear. If you were charged after cancellation, contact Apple support with the purchase ID and explain the timeline. Keep screenshots and dates handy as your key troubleshooting evidence to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.